Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt design for a fundraiser. Okay, so to start I'm going to go to Apparel, first on Place It, and to Design Templates. So you're going to see over here all the different types of designs. And for fundraiser t-shirts, I'm going to choose this one over here. Run for Education, that's the template that says. It says Raise Fundraiser Template. So you click on this one. Okay, as you can see over here, the preset layout says Run for Education Toronto 2016. And you're going to be able to edit the text fields over here to change the text on the t-shirt design. This way, your t-shirt is going to be able to be customized to say whatever it is that relates to your cause, to your raise, or the event that you're hosting to raise funds. Okay, so we're going to get started with the text fields. Since we're doing a race as well, we can keep the whole theme of running. So we can keep run for, but we can say instead of education, ours is for diabetes. So we can change that. Okay, see how it's automatically changed? Then it's not in Toronto, it's in Los Angeles. And it's 2017. Now we can also play with different fonts. I like this font, and we can select another one for the different text fields. It doesn't have to be the same one for each one. Graphics are here. So we're going to change the graphics. We can choose another symbol, another graphic. There's different options over here that we can choose from, like a heart, for example. It can also be another shape of someone running, like this one, or this one. Maybe go for this little shoe over here. The idea is for you to select an icon or graphic that relates to your wording, that relates to the whole idea of your cause, of your fundraising, so that when people buy your t-shirt, it actually represents what the whole theme is standing for. This way, when they put on the t-shirt, they are representing your cause. They are going to wear it with pride, and they are going to feel like they're doing something for your cause as well. That's the whole idea behind this project. So I'm going to choose this little heart over here. Or maybe I think I saw a heart with someone running. Yeah, this one. It makes sense. Okay, now we can select a background. It can be an image or it can be a color, for example. This has a pattern. We can play with the different patterns. As you can see, lots of these backgrounds are related to medical themes. For example, this has a ribbon and it has like a glove that represents a fight or a struggle. So these are related to fighting a disease or something like that. So these are perfect for these kind of themes and this kind of fundraising topics. There are lots of different patterns you can choose from. For example, this resembles the DNA, and you can actually change the color of the background over here. For example, if you want to display it on a black tee, it looks a little bit different. And actually, now that I see it on a black tee, I'm going to change the color of the graphic. Okay, and instead of having a background pattern, I'm going to remove the background pattern to have a flat background. I'm just going to click on here on no image. Okay, and this is how it's going to look on a black t-shirt. To make it look like this, I'm going to download my design with a transparent background, and when I print my t-shirt, I'm going to select the black garment. This way, I'm going to be selecting my actual t-shirts to be printed on black garments. And it actually looks super cool with white text and a red graphic over a black garment, instead of having a pattern that looks really pretty, but it's not so practical for the purposes of my printing of the t-shirt. So to do that, I'm going to click here in background and select the transparency. Okay, and there we go. Our design is ready now. I'm going to download it for a general t-shirt because that's the large file that I need. That's the one I'm at actually, because that's the same one as default. It's 4000 times 4000. Okay, so now that my design is ready, I'm just going to click here and download to get it on my computer. I'm going to get an email when it's ready. And here it is. It goes straight to my computer. And here's how it looks like. It's ready to be printed on a t-shirt. It has a transparent background, just like I selected it to have. And I can upload it to any print-on-demand website, or I can print it myself. And there you go. We just made a design for a fundraiser t-shirt from scratch. No need to download any software whatsoever. We did it all from the browser using Placeit Smart Templates.